So today we're going to go into the My Account portion of our website. So I'm doing this on an iPad. So you're going to go into Safari. And then up at the top here in the URL area, you're going to type in thebluemountains.library.ca and then hit go. So when you get onto our website, you'll see here that there's a orange button that says My Account on it. There's kind of like a little man next to it. So we're going to hit that button there. And then in this page, you're going to go up to the top and you're going to see where it says My Account again. So you're just up along the top, there's a little band. So you're going to hit that button there. And it will ask you for your library card number. So we'll just type in our library card number. So just to keep in mind too, that the library card comes in two ways. So you can have the one that's for your keychain, and then you can have the actual card itself. If you have these two, they're both the same number. So you can use whatever one you'd like to use. And then your PIN number is the last four digits of your telephone number. And then you're going to hit login. So as you can see now, we're logged in. So it'll come up with your information. So your contact information will be here. It's under personal information. You'll have your first name, last name, etc. If any of this is changed, please let us know and we can fix that. So then next to that, you'll see that there's these little tabs. So you're going to hit checkouts. So this is to show you what you have checked out at the moment. The next one next to that, oh, actually, before we do that, you have two kinds of checkouts. So you have your digital checkouts, which is what you have checked out on Libby. And then you have your library checkouts. So they're right there. Checkout history, I won't click on because that's all my history there, and there's a bunch of it. But if you click on checkout history, it'll show you what you've had checked out in the past. So if you aren't sure if you've read something, you can always go back and see what you've read in the past so you don't read things again. So next one you go over is, next tab is holds. So you can see there, those are the things I have holds on. So we're not doing holds right now because of the COVID-19, so we are closed. And we aren't doing holds. But you can still place holds on items. That's no problem. And then once we reopen, your holds will come. You can go over to fines. As you can see, I am a good library user. I have no fines. And then this request button, basically you can actually send a request to us to buy a book. So it has to be a new book, something that we don't have in the library. And just along the top where you see like the log out my account across the top here, it says send a request. You would hit that and then you would go in there and you can send a request to us. So this overall is the library My Account site.